Set clear and achievable goals. Success begins with a clear vision. If you don't know where you're going, how will you ever get there? Setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound, SMART goals helps provide direction and motivation. Instead of vague goals like, I want to be successful, define what success looks like for you. Is it earning a certain income? Learning a new skill? Improving relationships? Break your goals into smaller milestones and track your progress. This helps keep you motivated and focused. For example, if your goal is to start a business, break it down into steps like market research, creating a business plan, and launching a website. The more specific and detailed your goals are, the easier they become to achieve. Develop a growth mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in determining your success. People with a fixed mindset believe their abilities are set in stone, while those with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. If you want long-term success, you must embrace challenges, learn from failures, and continuously improve yourself. Start by shifting your perspective on failure. Instead of seeing setbacks as proof that you're not good enough, view them as valuable lessons. Many successful people, including Elon Musk and Steve Jobs, faced multiple failures before achieving greatness. They used their failures as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Take consistent action and stay disciplined. Success is built on small, consistent actions taken over time. Many people fail because they expect instant results and give up too soon. The truth is, success requires discipline, patience, and perseverance. You need to show up every day and put in the work, even when you don't feel like it. One way to build discipline is by creating daily habits that align with your goals. If you want to get fit, commit to exercising every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. If you want to write a book, write at least 500 words daily. Small actions, repeated consistently, create massive results over time. Surround yourself with the right people. The people you spend the most time with influence your mindset, motivation, and overall success. If you surround yourself with negative, unmotivated people, it's harder to stay focused on your goals. On the other hand, being around successful, driven individuals can push you to do better. Seek out mentors, coaches, or like-minded individuals who share your ambitions. Networking with successful people exposes you to new ideas, opportunities, and valuable advice. Join mastermind groups, attend industry events, or engage in online communities that align with your goals. Stay adaptable and keep moving forward. Success is not a straight path, it's a journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected obstacles. The ability to adapt to change and keep moving forward is what separates successful people from those who quit. Flexibility allows you to adjust your approach without losing sight of your end goal. When things don't go as planned, don't see it as failure. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I improve? Many of the world's most successful people had to pivot multiple times before finding success. For example, Jeff Bezos started Amazon as an online bookstore before expanding it into the e-commerce giant it is today.